Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to join WhatsApp group with link. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've installed the WhatsApp app already. Now, in order to join WhatsApp group with link, you must receive the group link first. You might receive the group link on any platform like Facebook Messenger, your Viber, your Instagram, or through the mail, or even a text message on WhatsApp. Only after you receive the group link from someone, you will be able to join that WhatsApp group. So for example, as you can see, I just received a text message. I'll open it. And here I've received the group link from this chat. You might receive the group link on any other platform. It'll work just fine. So once you receive the link, you can just tap on it and it will pop up with the option join group. So you can simply tap on it. Now you have successfully joined the group. And there you go, you've successfully joined this WhatsApp group via the invite link. So it was a very simple process to join WhatsApp group with a link. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.